By request, where do I find extensions in my Chromebook? No problem. I had posted a video on speeding up your Chromebook if it's slow by removing a bunch of extensions. Somebody said, well, this isn't helpful because I did not show where the extensions are. I apologize. I am so sorry for that. So let's solve that problem now. Click the top 3 dots you see here. Scroll down to More Tools. Scroll down to Extensions. Now, in this particular Chromebook, this one is an expired Chromebook. I am still able to use this, but I removed a bunch of extensions to speed things up. I have 3 extensions left, add-ons, whatever you want to call them. And to remove these, as you see here, you can just click Remove in any one of these or all of these, or you can toggle the blue button to the right, on the right, to disable any one of these extensions. And you should be okay. You should notice a difference in speed in your Chromebook. If I wanted to, say, add an extension to the top left there, I could click that, scroll down, and I could search for an extension here in the tab. Oh, let's try shopping. Let's try shopping for a shopping extension. Type in shop, click shopping, and of course, Capital One, we've seen the commercials. Let's say I wanted to add that add-on or extension to my Chromebook. You can just toggle and click the Add to Chrome button to add that extension. Now after this, I would probably reboot and see if there's any difference in speed. If it slows down, then you need to remove that extension. That's it. I hope this helps you out.